Welcome back in RC Girls channel, everybody! Papak! Guys, kakabangon lang namin. And it's Sunday, and it's raining. It's raining. Good pa talaga. And I'm preparing our breakfast to siya, guys, pero we will make brunch. It's still 9:30 AM. Medyo maaga kasi yung sipon ko. Akala ko okay na yung sipon ko. 2 days ata, guys. Parang normal yung hininga ko. Mga ganyan. Wait lang. Akala ko okay na talaga yung sipon ko. Kagabi, bumalik siya. After nung kasi nagtrabaho. 4 days kasi ako walang guys, hindi lumabas dito sa bahay talaga. Naglabas-labas pero hindi mga few minutes lang, tapos pabalik naman dito sa loob. Kasi kahapon, guys, nag-cut ako ng grass, yung sa malaking machine. Hindi lang ako nag-vlog, guys, kasi para And then after natapos ako, umulan siya. Hanggang ngayon umulan. So, ayun. Parang yung ginawa ko na nag-cut ko ng grass, parang wala lang din siya kasi umulan. Mas mabilis yung tubo nila kasi umulan. Yeah, ayun, guys. So, anong magagawa, di ba? Wala tayong magagawa. Ang tagal kong nag-stay sa labas. And then, after noon, bumalik yung sipon ko. Bumalik siya. Ang sakit ng anak ko. Tapos, sabi ko, ay, babangon na lang. And gagawa na lang ng breakfast. So, I'm making today French toast, guys. So, nag-add lang ako ng egg and milk. Tapos, nilagyan ko ng cinnamon. Yeah, ulan talaga siya. I think, siguro whole day itong guys. I think the rain will be whole day today.
Yeah.
We're planning to have grill today. To do grill pala. I've already marinated the chicken thigh yesterday evening. But we can still grill, no? We can still do it, but we will eat again inside. Like the other week na naman. Yeah. Oh, we don't have bacon. Dalawa lang kami. Nag-marinate na ako kahapon, guys. Tapos si partner sana ang mag-grill today. Because we're supposed to use the big griller, right?
And not with this weather because it's so
it's
small
no airs.
And stay so long. The small bread will do it as well.
No. We will just bake it. Or the air fryer.
Okay. Yes.
It's simpler.
Or this new thing that won't have this steak a lot.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can. Yeah, the one we just bought the other day, the griller. Yeah, why not?
Yeah. But the
thigh.
pork, I'm not sure. But the
chicken,
yeah, of course.
Yeah, then we can just do it.
Yeah.
Oh, we will grill there at the table. I'll just grill here and then. So ayun, guys.
You can go outside and do it.
Yeah, you'll just wear jackets.
2 jackets.
Yeah, 2 jackets at least.
No. Well, we will see. The mood will tell us.
Since we don't have bacon, I will make sunny side up.
Yeah.
Good. With butter, of course. Because he prepares with butter, guys.
Soll ich machen, mein Schatz?
You can already set the table.
Yes! So, yeah, just
Yeah.
Oh.
clean, right?
Huh?
It's clean.
Yeah.
Mangaon guys, we have brunch. We're so early to have brunch today. Look at that. Oh, ang ganda, di ba? You wanna say hello?
Hello.
There, just your hands.
Hello.
Yeah, they're here.
Hello.
It's Sunday.
Yes. So, no stress.
No stress. We have maple syrup. Uy, dami. And how is it?
Good.
Good.
Yeah.
Mmm. You will bake today or not yet?
Yeah.
But we have cakes.
Ah, okay. We'll wait.
Yesterday we did grocery. I didn't do vlog because we didn't buy so much yesterday. So
Just 120 euros.
ang ganda magtambay sa labas guys kasi umuulan. Oh, I think I will shower in the rain.
Oh, take a shower in the rain.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's been a long time na kasi guys that I didn't have shower in the rain. Maybe 10 years.
Not here in Germany.
No. Yellow, the best part. Guys, kailangan ko pala itong lutuin yung ating spinach. Binili namin. Kahapon ba to? Or I think today is the second day. Nakalimutan ko na guys. Lulutuin ko to pero hindi ko to kakainin today. With sardines, of course. Diba? Simple lang naman tong recipe, diba? Alam na natin tong lahat. Onions and garlic lang talaga guys ang ilalagay ni RC. Pero i-open ko na lang yung door, tsaka yung window, kasi yung amoy, diba? Maaga pa din naman guys, 2 PM pa, magto 2 PM pa. Later pa naman yung dinner. Gusto ko sanang gawing sabaw yung spinach pero kulang ako sa ingredients. Wala akong masyadong magkukulang ako sa ingredients kaya madami pa naman ang ko guys, sardines. Galing pa ata tong Frankfurt pero I think nakabili ako dito. Nakalimutan ko na guys. I mean sa Asia store ba? Wala naman dito sa grocery sa Revi. Siguro kung bukas ko pa ito lulutuin, mag-ano ito guys. Para hindi na siya mag-survive. Alam niyo yung 1, 2, 3 na luto? Yan guys. Lunod ko na to para walang pisik-pisik. Walang pisik-pisik. Ayan o. Ganyan lang sardinas guys. Gusto ko malaki-laki yung mga sardines. Ang dami nito guys, pero watch out. Para mag-iisang na lang to. Mag-iisang baso. After nito pakuluan, diba? Takpan. Pahinaan. Good. Ang bilis lang, diba? Luto na siya. Let's turn this off. Yan, ang bilis lang guys. Pang pa yan? Pang bukas natin yan siya. Sana rice na lang ang kulang yan. Sarap mo. Excited na tuloy ako. Pero ang sarap kasi ng ulam namin mamaya. Guys, umuulan pa rin. Kanina mga 2 hours ago, uminit siya guys. Uminit siya tapos wala ng ulan. Ngayon umulan na naman. It's still cloudy pa din siya guys. And malamig. Mahangin. Malamig. Maulan. Instead of mag-grill kami, i-air fry na lang namin guys. Mag-air fry na lang tayo ng ating chicken. Chicken time. Ito siya guys. So again guys, this is the same marination. Nilagay ko siya nung nag-marinate tayo ng ribs. The same lang siya process. The same ingredients yung ginamit ko. Kasi masarap siya. And hindi na ako maglalagay underneath kasi pang ano naman siya eh. Gusto ko magkasya siya para isahan. Kasi mag-air fry din tayo ng tawag dito, sausage guys. Magkasyang 4. Meron kasing 4 na chicken thigh. And while waiting, because we need some vegetables, so iba-blanch ko lang to. You eat little bit rice with baguette, garlic bread, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, good. Kasi guys, hindi ako nagluto ng potatoes, simple tomato salad, balsamico, olive oil, at maglagay tayo ng mustard, salt and pepper. Lagyan natin ng dried basil. That's it guys. Try natin. Sarap. Ito na lang ang kakainin ni partner guys. This is 2 pieces. And then magra-rice naman ako guys. Yan o, malaki naman to. Isa lang kay partner kasi di ba? May rice CRC. So nagpi-preheat lang ako ng oven. Waiting for the chicken and also for the beans and yung sausage pala. And I'm planning na mag-sweet corn din siguro kami. Guys, para na naman kami pinaglalaroan ng panahon. Look at that. 'Di ba? Ulan na ulan kanina, tapos mga saglit lang akong nagpakita ng weather kanina na very makulimlim pa. Ngayon sumisikat na naman siya guys. Kanina sumisikat din siya. Mga few minutes lang din. My part naman sa guys na cleared na ang cleared na blue na talaga yung yung langit, pero may part din na very dark pa kaya so, but we decided talaga guys na dito na kami sa loob kakain. Malapit nang matapos yung chicken. Yeah, tamang-tama din mga past 6 siguro kami kakain. We are ready. Tingnan niyo yung para siyang na parang nasobrahan lang siya ng mga 3 minutes. 'Di ba? Pero maganda naman. About our sausages, naglalaway si RC guys. And si partner is siya, pagkita na lang sa kanya. Baguette lang sa kanya, garlic, and of course for me is rice. Meron tayo ditong sausawan, na, hindi ko na siya nakalimutan, and tomato salad. Pagkita din daw sa kanya. Mangaon. I'll choose for you, yeah? I'll get you. Kasi guys, ang sa kanya is kailangan niyang meat. Chulong. Okay. If you found something fat, just give it to me. Mangaon. Then broth.
Oh.
Okay.
Lekker.
Sarap guys. Yung chicken guys, pwede na siyang walang sauce. Masarap na siya guys. Malinam naman siya. May kalit pa siya, guys. With rosemary, it smells good, yeah? Bakit ba may katabi ako rice cooker dito?